Come on along. What an interesting day this is turning out to be. I'm headed up to the Manami to put not going to put anything in. I'm going to give the guy a fitting. We had a pilot pressure filter that we just put in on the FabTech to keep the oil clean going into the pump that cracked. So I'm curious to know what the hell. So I'm going to bring it back with me and cut the filter apart. Maybe the system was that contaminated, because if I remember right on those, you can't adjust the pilot pressure. So, but it is an aluminum housing, so I'm curious. We'll see what happens. Come along, won't you? Yeah, here we go again. Back in the day, not more than 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we installed this as a pilot pressure filter on that FabTech Cat, yada yada yada. And I just got done coming from up there, and we're gonna test this puppy because the guy said it's cracked. And I gotta put my glasses on. I'm gonna find them first. So anyways, it says right here that it's good for 70 bar. Made by Parker. You know Parker Hannafin. So I'm gonna put some hydraulical fluid in here. Fill her up, so to speak, till she comes out. There she comes. Get the air out of her. Make a little bit of a mess. You know how that works. Then we're going to take Mr. Crescent wrench up here, and we're going to tighten this fitting down. And we're going to put this here to soak up some of that. Wait, I got a better one. Maybe you'll see a little bit better too. So I'm doing a test because I want to see where it's leaking, because we just put this thing in, like I said 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to take it right up to 70 bar. Starting to make fresh air. Sure as hell. I'm not even getting 20 bar out of it. She's leaking right here. That housing is cracked. And we hit under the frame. Holy crap. Well, look at that. Can you guys see that? I hope you can. I'm hoping you can. There she's a oozing. Let me put this right in there. Right there. Well, I never saw such a thing. Maybe because it's, and you can see looks like a mark from something there. But good old cast aluminum. Shouldn't do that. All right, test is complete. Hey, and I got something else to tell you. I'll touch my camera with my glovey gloves. Something else to tell you. Oily hands. Yeah. I can let the pressure off of that. Hang on a second. So, that being said, I ordered a replacement, and I gave him a adapter to go from number 6 to number 6. JIC, J-I-C. That's odd. That is just odd. That's got to be in manufacturing. There's a cold joint or something there. Anyways, on the videos I just discovered today, there's something what's called well, number 1, thumbs up and subscribe. That's always appreciated. But number 2, YouTube has got me under a beta test. You know what beta means? I don't know. It's something to do with Greek. Beta, gamma. Oh no, it's like a test thing for whatever. Anyways, on the bottom of the screen, if you're watching on a computer, there's called an applause button. And they're trying to get us poor people, us less fortunate people with less subscribers, a way to monetize us. Of course, they take their part. But I kind of thought it was cool. I just saw it. I got somebody applauded me 2 times in the last couple days, and I can't find them, who they were, what they were, who did it. But thank you for that. But it's like, if you hit that, it gives me $2.50. I'm not asking for anything. I'm just, if you wanna, that's what it's there for. And then they're trying it out to see if anything comes out of it. So that's it. That's the video for today. Talk to yourself a lot, and if you answer yourself, do it in public so everybody thinks you're nuts, and they'll leave you alone. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.